This is my Harbor Freight 10 drawer tool cart that I designed. Except I got the idea from two guys on YouTube. And as you can see, I got all four swivel casters on there. And so I'm just going to show you a couple quick things here. And the top does lock the bottom box. What you gotta do is turn your top box upside down, and you gotta cut these squares out. So the bottom tabs of the top box go through the bottom of the top box. So here we go. On top I got my Husky nut drivers, some punches, and small screwdrivers. These are Husky screwdrivers. Pittsburgh sockets from Home Depot, Harbor Freight. Quarter drive sockets from Harbor Freight. 3/8 shallow and deep Harbor Freight sockets. Some pry bars. This one I had to cut the top off because the top wouldn't shut, so now they're all level, but that's okay. Sockets from Harbor Freight. First drawer is this random junk. Second drawer, brushes, rivet gun, some more junk. This drawer here, as you see, I had to shim it out, slide out, because it would fall out of place on the track, so I took care of that problem. This drawer, Dremel, tape, gloves, other junk. Next drawer, gear pullers, hacksaw, big wrench, 1.5" from Husky. Bottom drawer, hammers, sawzall, grinder, wood chisels. This drawer is just random junk, more tape, sawzall blades, electrical tester. And as you can see how that slide is coming out, I got to shim this bottom one out too. This is my plier drawer. Most of these are Channel Lock and Irwin vice grips. This drawer, as you can see, the bottom slid out, so I got to shim that side too. Allen wrenches, electrical meter. Bottom drawer is fine. These are all my wrenches. These are from Harbor Freight. The ratcheting wrenches are from Home Depot. They're Husky. And bottom drawer, I got tap and die set, DeWalt drill, DeWalt impact. This is a bearing puller set that I got on Amazon. Over here are some chemicals, WD-40, wood glue, cleaner. This side's more cleaner, spray paint. I'll show you the back here in a minute. As you can see, it rolls pretty nice. This is where the top and bottom box meet. That's where I cut the tabs out, so the top box rests on the bottom box, and it does lock. As you can see, there's the 02 swivel casters. The top does lock, and it locks the bottom drawers. Push on these tabs and it locks all the drawers, upper and lower. There you have it, folks. Like and subscribe, and maybe come up with another video later on. Thank you.